You got a light, mate?
Yeah, I have. Hold this a minute.
Excuse me, mate. Can you hold that for a minute? Yeah, sure.
Sorry, I've finished. It's all right, I'll take care of that.
I've finished.
Me too.